beautiful today, Dad. Look, Dad, an airplane. I wish I had one too.
Don't worry, son. I will make one for you.
Really? Yay! Can I help you, Dad?
Of course, son. Huh. Let's bring these back and start building, son.
Ready, Dad?
Just wait a little, son.
This feels amazing, Dad.
Are you ready?
Let's go.
Let's try rolling it on the ground first.
Captain is ready for takeoff. Wow, it's amazing. It's so beautiful. What a sunny day for a drive. Rolling down.
I love my airplane. It's so cool.
Hi there.
Your airplane looks simple. Mine is faster.
This is the airplane my dad made for me. Do you want to race? Ready?
3, 2, 1. Too slow.
I'll catch up to you.
I will pass you. You already lost.
My airplane is broken.
Don't worry, my son. I will make you a new one.
A metal factory, Dad?
We will build something stronger.
Wow, so many cans. Wow.
Watch carefully!
Watch this. Careful, Dad. It's really hot.
It's cooling down now.
We can make something much stronger than cardboard. A new airplane for me.
That's right.
These are the components that will make it much stronger.
These are the components that will make it much stronger.
We're almost done, son.
Wow. It's so beautiful, Dad.
Now let's get it ready.
Let me help you clean it nice and shiny.
Come here and help me, son.
I can do it, Dad.
It's finished. It looks so strong and safe.
Wow, so many buttons. This one and this one, it feels so real.
Come here, my little pilot.
Thank you, Dad. Okay, stay calm. I can do this. I did it! This is incredible. Okay, nice and easy. We're almost there.
It's so shiny. This looks amazing.
This is the coolest plane ever.
It's number 1. What is that up there? A helicopter? That can't be. What is that up there? A helicopter? That can't be. Out of the way! I'm still the fastest! Oh no! It's still chasing me!
Hey, you little rascal wolf! Remember me? Here I come! Here!
Come on!
All right,
Now I'll show you what I can do.
No! No! Stop! Stop it! Stop! Stop! What just happened?
That'll teach you. Now this is real flying. Help me! Help me! Please help me! I will help you!
Climb up, don't be afraid.
Thank you! Thank you so much!
Is anyone there? Help me!
I'm here to save the wolf!
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. We are friends now. I will take you home.
Wow! Our city is so beautiful!
Did you have a great trip?